Okay, so here we were, right? Transparent objects, translucent and opaque objects. These were, we were there here. I think we finished this also. Transparent, translucent and opaque. See children,
Yeah, we
trans,
have finished.
yeah,
We have
trans,
written the
yes,
sound and the types of objects: transparent, translucent, and opaque.
yeah. So transparent, see, so transparent objects, okay, let me show here only, okay. So transparent objects, example, means which will allow the entire light to pass through them. For example, glass, water, and these sheets, okay. Wait, I'll just, one second, yeah.
Ma'am, in my book also rays and beams are given. In that
Yeah.
beams, there are written 3 types of beams.
Yes, yes. So here, yeah, one second. Here you have parallel beam, convergent beam, and divergent beam.
Yes, ma'am.
Cellophane sheets like this, like they will allow the entire light to pass through them. Okay, and you can also see the glass windows. Okay, in especially in your houses and all, uh, like this windows. Okay, so something like these kind of windows, which will allow the entire light to pass through them. It will allow the all the light to pass through them. Okay. So that is your transparent windows or transparent. That is glass. Example are glass. Next, translucent means which will allow only certain amount of light. For example, in your bathrooms and all, they will put glass windows. They would have put glass windows, but it will not be completely transparent. It will allow only some amount of light so that the entire thing inside the bathroom should not be seen. Only light should come like that. So it will be, so there they use translucent. So glass windows, okay, glass windows for bathroom. It looks like this. Okay. See, especially in your bathrooms, they might put, yeah, here. These kind of slided, they would might be this like this or like this slided kind of a means they would have slided the windows, glass piece windows like this. And this glass window, see, this glass windows will not allow whatever is inside to be seen and whatever is outside to be seen, because it will not allow the entire light to pass through them, only little amount. And these are called as translucent. You can see here, you cannot see whatever is outside, and inside from outside you can't see what is inside. From outside, from inside you cannot see what is outside clearly. Okay, not clearly. You can see that there is something, but you cannot see clearly everything because it will allow only little amount of light to pass through them. So this is your this one. And opaque objects. Example, stone, wood, and your book, and iron metals. So the things which will not allow the light to pass through them, they're all called they are all called as opaque objects.
Laptop and computers.
Yeah, cell phone, computer, your bags, your
Yes.
cameras, whatever is there. So which will not allow the light to pass through them. They are all your opaque objects. And your table, all that.
Ma'am, in translucent objects, it is written butter, but butter is not
Butter,
translucent.
butter paper, butter paper, butter paper. I think your parent, they will,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
When
yeah,
we
these
face,
kind.
when we face the mirror to the sunlight, to the sun faces, so why do the light goes in another direction?
That is only called as reflection. We'll come to here, another part. So that you call it as reflection of the light rays. We saw that, see, when you take a ball and hit it onto the wall, you'll get back that wall. Sorry, you will get back that ball. So it is bouncing back. After hitting to the wall, the ball is coming back to you. The same way light rays. So bouncing of the light rays, or as you hit the ball onto the wall, it will come back to you or bounce back to you. Same way, the light rays, the light rays will bounce back. That property is only called as reflection of the light rays. Okay, so that's the
Ma'am,
huh. And there are, depending upon the surface, it can be a smooth reflection or a diffuse reflection. Means if the surface is smooth, for example, there is a plain wall. For example, there is a plain wall, no cracks, or it is full flat. So the surface is smooth. And what happens? What happened? Hello, you're all there? Did
yes,
you hear?
ma'am.
Yeah, are you
Yes,
hearing
yes,
sound?
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, you're hearing some sound, right? Did you hear some
yes,
sound? Okay, why is that? What is that sound? Hey, somebody is doing sound.
no, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
no.
Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Okay. Where was I? Okay, here. Smooth reflection, diffuse reflection. So you can see this is the light rays which is falling on the surface, and it will bounce back in this direction. So this is in one direction. So you can see here one falling and going into another direction. And when the surface is, see, you can see the surface. Here it is flat, neat, smooth. But here the surface is not flat, neat, smooth. It is, so in this kind of surfaces, the light rays will reflect in different directions. Not in one direction, in different directions it will reflect. For example, that's what I said. You take, think that your wall is having lot of cracks, means it is not, it is like at some point it is little bent. There is something, another, next it is a smooth, then again bent. If that is like that, means that will not reflect the rays in one direction. In different direction it will get spreaded off. But if it is a nice flat wall, then the reflection will be very smooth. So this is your one property, that is reflection of the rays. And
Ma'am, I can't understand the smooth one. Can you explain again?
see, for example, you have a table in front of you. Okay, you have a table in front of you. It is flat, neat, not neat. That is your smooth surface. And if, for example, you keep 5 books on one side, then after that you keep in a row 5 books in a line, then after that 2 books, then 5 books more over that, then again 2 books, and next 10 books after that. You keep it like that. So you're not having a flat surface. You are having a, like a Humpty Dumpty, like you have 5 books is giving some height, then two books is giving some height, then 10 books is giving some height. So that time what happens, there is, the surface is not flat, it is not smooth, it is not even. When the light reflects, when the light falls on those kind of surfaces, like for example I told you, when the light falls on these books, on the line of 5, on the line of 2, on the line of 10, there is a height difference. There is a height difference. What happens when a light ray is falling on five book line? It might get reflected in a different direction. It might bounce back in different direction. When it is falling on 2, the height is very low. The light will get reflected in a different direction. On 10, it will be different direction. So here the surface is, means on which the light is falling is not even. It is not smooth. That's why you call it as smooth. So there will be light reflections in a different directions. For example, you take this, okay, one second. Okay, for example, if you take this kind of surface, see here. Here one height, here one height, here one height, here one height, different. It's not smooth, it's not flat, and it's not even. When the light falls on all these things,
Ma'am,
they,
Rocky.
it will reflect in different directions, not in one direction. And same way here also. Here also it is not smooth. Height, there is height difference, and the surface it is having lot of stones. So many other things are there on this one. On some portion there are trees. On some portions it is not there. On some portions the trees there, rock is there. So it is not even. It's not flat. For that you call it as, so the lights will get reflected in a different direction. It will go in different directions. Like for example, think that when you are making your car, that remote control car, to go on a smooth surface, and think that how the car will go when it goes on a rocky area or on a uneven surface. That is the difference between smooth surface and uneven surface. When it goes on an uneven surface, the speed will get reduced. Then it will have to put more pressure on the tires to go into another direction, like that. So it will be not very smooth for the car to drive on a uneven surface. Same way, on uneven surfaces, the light will get reflected or bounced back in different directions. That is the difference here. Okay. Is that fine? I think it's fine, I think. So yesterday we went about this white light dispersion, that is that Vibgyor, rainbow formation and all. Okay. So that you call it as Vibgyor. I think everybody knows Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So that white light. Not required. Okay. Then source of light we finished. Yeah. Let's come back to the plane mirror here. So we always have that, means daily we stand in front of the mirror, right? Whatever, how the image is formed, however you are, that kind of image you can see on the mirror. Is it right? However you are, or whatever you're holding
Yes,
in your
ma'am.
hand, whatever it is. So
Yes.
however you are, that image you are able to see on the mirror. That only you call it as real image or real object. Next, and you know that there is left and right inversions. Left right inversions will take place in a plane mirror. And whatever image you see on the
Ma'am,
plane mirror, yeah,
ma'am, are you telling us class fifth?
yeah, it is a combination of both.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, sir said it is a combination of both. Yeah, and then here the image formed by the plane mirror will be erect. Erect means straight, means it will not be inverted. It will be a straight image. That is the erect image. That is straight image you call it as, not the inverted one. Means inverted means you look ultam pulta in the plane mirror, but it's not like that. In the plane mirror you look straight, means it is erect. Okay, yeah. Now this is one interesting thing, refraction of light. I'll just show that to you in the picture. You will observe this one.
Ma'am, I also have the Olympiad physics, ma'am.
Okay.
Combination of 6 and 10.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So if you see
Can I
like,
send you?
yeah, I told everybody to, means whoever has it can send it to Ranjan sir. No, okay. Somebody was asking me the number. Wait. Yesterday I forgot to tell, means give it to you. 1 second.
Ma'am, today he.
Okay, I'm not able to. Okay, I'll just. You did you get the number from sir?
9680948707.
Okay, so if you've got it means you can please send it to him. Okay, I'm not here. It's not
Okay,
opening.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yep. Okay. Okay. I have you observed this kind of thing in your when you keep either not only the pencil. If you keep a spoon also, it might in a plain water like this. Uh, this changes. I think we would have observed if it is a plain water.
Yes, ma'am. I observed it so many times.
Yeah. So this only you call it as reflection of light. So here the light, the bending of the
Ma'am,
light,
why is it always like that?
bending of the light. Okay. So for example, if you see here, first let us know the definition. Okay, when the light rays enter from one medium to another medium means what do you mean by medium means, see, half of the pencil is in the air. Air is the medium. See, you can see this is outside of the water means it is in the air medium, that is your,
Ma'am,
it is in the
transparent. I'm
no, 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 means
transparent.
transparent, no, it is atmosphere. It is the atmosphere where the air is
Ma'am, it
traveling.
is transparent. That,
Yeah,
that's
air.
why it's
No,
going
no, no,
straight.
it's not like that. So here, this is one medium here from air, and the next medium, the next thing is water. It is half of it is present in the water. One half is present in the air. Is it right? So it is outside the water. Is it right? So outside the water means it is in the atmosphere. Next, some little part of the pencil is present inside the water. So water is one more portion, or we call it as medium. So here air is one medium, water is one medium. Did you able to understand this air and water?
Yes,
Air
ma'am.
means that
Yes,
atmosphere.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
Something like,
ma'am.
yeah, something like you put your legs in the swimming pool, or you put your legs on inside the lake, and try to move your legs inside the water like half of the body is present in the atmosphere, half of your body is present in your water, like that. So here half of the pencil in the air, half of the pencil in the water. Now now the pencil is seen by the viewer. Can you see here, the pencil is seen by the viewer. So this bending of the light, so the light falls on this. For example, you see here, the person is seeing from here, the person is seeing from here, the light falls on, the light falling, the light will bend from this medium, that is the air medium, to the water medium, which makes him to look like as if the pencil has bended, as if the pencil has bended.
Ma'am,
So
why does the light bend?
it is the, when it travels from one medium to another medium, this kind of property takes place. It's not reflection, because the light rays will enter from air medium to the water medium. When it is going from one medium to another medium, this kind of reflect, that is, you call it as bending. It is like reflecting in this order.
Ma'am, refraction.
Yeah,
Refraction.
that property, that bending of that light, you call that as refraction. So that bending of that light makes you feel that the actually the pencil is like this only. You can see that the pencil is like this only, but for your eyes it looks like as if the pencil has bended. The property is your refraction. Let's see the definition here. So when the light rays enter from one medium to another medium, here the light rays entered from air medium to the water medium. Bending of ray of light takes place either towards normal or away from the normal due to a difference in the speed of light in different medium. So because the main thing reason is difference in the speed of light in different medium. In the air medium, the speed of light is different, and in the water medium, the speed of light might be different. So this difference will make you to This difference will give you the property of refraction. Okay. Even for example, straw also. Straw appears to be bent when you put it into the water. So the reason is bending of light. So water and air are two different medium. Hence the light rays are refracted towards a normal due to change in the speed of light. For example, when you shake your hands in the atmosphere, is it easy? Means now if you shake your hands, you are in the atmosphere, right? You try to shake your hands or try to move your hand, it will be easy
Yeah,
for you.
it's very easy.
It is very easy. But if you try to shake your hands inside the water, you have to put
Ma'am, it
lot
will
of
be
pressure.
easy. Ma'am, but we have to put our pressure.
Yeah, you have to put lot of pressure. The same way here. So the speed of light in the water medium is different. The speed of light in the air medium will be different. Because of this difference, you will see the objects like that. Next one is your shadow formation. So there is a difference between the image and the shadows. See, if you see the shadow, okay, so shadow is formed when opaque objects come in between the light source and the screen. For example, this person is standing here. Okay, let me show the figure here properly to you. Okay.
Mm. You can write shadow formation, then it would show.
Yeah. So what happens? Okay, let me take something. Okay, here only. So what happens here? The the light is, this person is a opaque object. So means we are also opaque object. We don't allow the light to pass through us. Is it right? We don't
Yes,
allow the
Yes,
ma'am.
light to
ma'am.
pass. We are all opaque objects. So shadow is formed when the opaque object comes between the source of light and the screen. You are able to see this shadow and this is the screen. Okay, means screen means on which you are able to get something to see. So this
The
land ground,
where the
uh,
effect of land light can be seen.
this is your image, this is the place we are able, means this is the land where you're able to see the see that shadow. You call this as screen. Means instead of the land, you can also you see your images, sorry, shadows on the walls also, right? On the wall also you can see, on the ground also you can see. So on where that shadow falls, you call that shadow, or the image falls, you call that as a screen. Here the shadow is seen on the land, so that's why you call the land as the screen here. How this is obtained means, this is a person who is opaque object. For example, if you keep your box also, it is an opaque object. So whatever opaque object, the light is when the light is blocked by the opaque object, you get a shadow. So the same thing is happening here. So the light is blocked by this person, the sunlight. Okay, the sunlight is falling on him and it is blocked by him. It means he's not transparent. So from him, that shadow is fallen on the, here it is ground. And if you see the shadow, whatever height he is, that much height you will get the shadow. And you can only see the outline in the shadow, only see the outline, but you will not be able to recognize who this person is. You will not get the entire details of this shadow. So this is the main difference between the shadow and the image. Okay, okay, I'll show this only, wait, don't worry. So here you saw in the mirror only, no? Yeah. Yeah. So here if you see this image, so the image, this is the image, okay, mirror image or image you can see. So this image is giving all the details which is coming on the plane mirror. On the image means it will give you all the details. So how the person is or whatever you can keep, not only your face, you can put, if you put your hand also, all the details image will give you. So the
Yes,
image
ma'am.
will
The
give you
color.
all the details. Yeah, image will give you all the details. How the object is exactly like that, you will get the image. But shadow is not like that. Shadow, you cannot identify any details. Only the outline you will get and how much it is blocked. That's it. So that's the main difference between image and shadows.
Ma'am, today also you will write some notes to write.
We'll see. You have all these things in your books? I think so, right? No need to write so much of it. So here, shadow, I think you means not much is there
Ma'am,
here.
can fraction?
You want to write? Okay, wait. Okay, last 2 minutes I'll give you. Shadow is formed when the, means you have these definitions and all, right? Shadow
No.
when it is in your books, is it there? What I'll do
Ma'am,
is,
it is
yeah,
not there. You show it and I will take a
No,
screenshot.
ma'am, in my book there is no shadow
I'll wait. I'll ask
and
if there is a group of yours. I'll ask Ranjan sir to send all this thing to you so
Ma'am,
that
can we
whenever.
fraction once?
Okay, take it. Yeah, you can take, if you can take the screenshot, you take it of children, this one. So you can write the definition of this here. Shadow is formed when opaque objects come in between the
ma'am,
light
can
source.
you ask to
Ma'am, can you show
Ranjan sir?
reflection?
Yeah, shadow you wrote down. Yeah, yeah, this one. Can you make a, means did you make a note of this? Shadow here. This line is
Yes,
enough.
I
Yeah,
took.
Ma'am, till etc.
yeah,
Ma'am,
so
we'll
this,
write.
yeah, screen can be it can be a ground or wall, anything. Sometimes on your book also, on your paper also, anything. The image, sorry, the shadow. Okay, done. Okay, I'll show you refraction definition of it. Wait.
Ma'am, we'll write this definition.
Yeah, you can write here till here. When light rays enters from one medium to another medium, bending of ray of light takes place. This is called bending of ray of light takes place due to the difference in the speed of light in the different medium. Write this much. This is only called as refraction. This happens because of the speed of difference in the speed of light. Aita, done?
Ma'am, done.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, only refraction is not there in the book. Else everything is there.
Okay, good. Okay, shall I come down? Okay, I think we are done with the things all. We'll have to go through the
No, ma'am, I'm not done.
only reflection. Yeah. Okay, done?
Ma'am, do we have to write when light rays and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
last medium?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I take the screenshot so that
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can?
sure, sure. Yeah. Whoever, I means instead of writing afterwards, you can use it, I think. You can take the screenshot.
Done, ma'am. You,
Okay, done?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. We'll see what we can solve now here. Human eye we did yesterday only, correct? So need no.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Can you show? I want to take a screenshot of this human eye.
Human eye, I think if you type in, you can get man instead of this one. It is a very dark one. Human eye, if you see,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you can take it there on the Google only. So we'll just discuss on this one. Okay. Shruti is surprised to see the light phenomena in National Science Center, where the different types of images of a person are seen in a mirror. Which branch of science she should study to understand the reason behind this? Okay.
Ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, see, she wants to see about light. Means, okay, so whatever you study about the light, you call that as optics.
Optics, ma'am.
Yeah, you call it as optics.
Optics.
Optics means light. Anything related to light, you call it as optics. So
Ma'am,
that's
can
why,
you? Yes.
yeah. So if she wants to know more about light properties and everything, answer is optics. She has to choose optics. So acoustic is about sounds. Acoustic is about sounds. Zoology is about anybody? Zoology is about
Ma'am,
animals.
animals.
Study of
Ma'am,
animals.
animals.
Yeah, astronomy is
Astronomy,
about
astronauts, and space.
Ma'am,
Space.
about the space things. Yeah, related to
Ma'am,
anything space.
what is acoustic?
Acoustic is about sounds.
Okay. Ma'am, you can show the question without showing the answer. At the back, explanation is also written at the down.
Yeah, means every means some. Okay. Yeah. The next question. Yeah. Dimpy and Ashu are talking about the given natural phenomena. So that is your
Ma'am, the answer is Ashu. Ma'am, the answer is Ashu.
okay. I hear thunderstorm first. I see lightning flash first. Which is first? What is first then?
Ashu is correct. Ma'am,
And
Ashu is
Asu is correct.
Yeah, Ashu
ma'am,
is
Ashu is correct.
yeah. Because why the speed of light is faster than the
Then
sound.
if
Then
there
the
will be no lightning, then they will hear the sound first only.
Yeah.
is 80 crore meter per second.
Okay, now we have entered into sound. Okay, the question is not there. Okay. Oh,
Ma'am,
here
is
sound.
there more
Okay,
question?
what I'll do now is I just have 4 minutes. What I'll do is I'll show you just briefly. I will tell you about the years. I think have you studied about years, working of years,
What, ma'am?
Yes,
Working.
ma'am.
working of the year?
No, ma'am.
Year, what are the parts inside the
Ma'am, in
year?
class 5,
Oh,
there was a long short
No,
note
ma'am.
per year, 1 page or 2 page.
Okay, first let me show this image to you. Okay, so this is your ears, inner parts. Outer ear, whatever you are seeing, that brown color or white color, depending upon your skin color. Outer, what we are seeing, that you call it as outer ear or in pinna. Okay, means that whatever ears you are seeing, no, outside, that is called as outer ear or pinna. You have three types: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Okay, outer, middle, inner. So whatever sound enters, the sound enters. Okay, let me show this one. Is it good? Yeah. Okay. So the sound enters through the ears through a canal. This is called as a canal or a passage, which you call it as auditory canal. And this is all your outer ear.
Ma'am, what is the snail-like substance?
So here the
Excuse
next
me,
portion
ma'am.
is middle ear. Yeah. Yeah.
How does the wax come in our ear?